In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Impulse and MACD indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through step by step how to quickly find, add and adjust the Impulse and MACD indicator on your TradingView Pro chart, and then I'll show you how to unlock it properly using the link that I've placed in the description. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, you just need any active chart on your screen. Once that's open, look towards the top of the chart for the Indicators button. It usually sits along the main toolbar above your candles or bars. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open up the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can type in the name of any indicator you want to add. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. This makes it a lot faster than scrolling through long lists of built-in indicators. Now, in that search bar, slowly type Impulse MACD. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. You should see the Impulse MACD indicator appear in the list. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price candles. Once the Impulse MACD is on your chart, the next thing you want to do is adjust the settings so they match your trading style. To do this, move your cursor over the Impulse MACD panel. You'll see a small gear icon appear which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you'll find options to tweak inputs like lengths and smoothing, as well as style options like colors and line thickness. Take a moment to look through these. If you're just getting started, you can leave everything on default for now. But remember that you can always come back and fine-tune these settings later as you get more comfortable with how the indicator behaves. Finally, to get full access and the best experience with TradingView Pro while using the Impulse MACD, make sure you use the sign-up link that I've placed in the video description. Use that link to create or upgrade your account so you can follow along with all the features I use in my charts. Once you've done that, you'll be fully set up with the Impulse MACD indicator inside TradingView Pro and ready to incorporate it into your trading analysis.